Express yourself. Understanding. Express in terms of. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations and writings. Express in terms of. This expression is a key to unlocking clear understanding and communication, especially in academic, scientific, and mathematical contexts. Stay tuned as we explore how to use this phrase effectively to enhance your English language skills. Express in terms of is a phrase used to describe something by comparing it or relating it to another thing. It's like saying, to explain this concept, I will use another concept that you already understand. This comparison helps to clarify complex ideas by linking them to more familiar ones. For example, in mathematics, we might say, express the area of a circle in terms of its radius, which means we are defining the area using the radius. This phrase is incredibly versatile, used across various disciplines, mathematics and science, to define or describe equations or phenomena in relation to a specific variable or constant. For instance, express the velocity of an object in terms of time and distance. Literature and art, to interpret themes or ideas through the lens of specific symbols or motifs. For example, the author expresses themes of freedom in terms of the sea. Everyday language, to explain concepts or ideas using more familiar or simple terms. Like, let's express our budget in terms of monthly expenses. To get a better grasp, let's look at some sentences. 1. In physics, can you express the energy of this particle in terms of its mass? 2. In economics, we often express the success of a country in terms of GDP per capita. 3. In daily conversation, she expressed her feelings in terms of music and poetry. Try to create your own sentences or explanations using express in terms of. This practice will not only enhance your understanding but also your ability to communicate complex ideas more effectively. And that wraps up our journey into the phrase, express in terms of. We hope this exploration has shed light on how to use this phrase to articulate complex ideas in a more understandable way. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to express new concepts in terms of familiar ones to deepen your and others' understanding. Happy learning, and see you in our next video. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances of its phrases. Keep exploring and expressing.